Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cheesecake at home using an easy method. We'll start by gathering a few common ingredients you likely already have. Then, I'll guide you through creating a simple yet perfect graham cracker crust. Finally, you'll discover the secrets to baking a smooth, creamy cheesecake that will impress everyone. Let's get started on this delightful dessert journey. For our creamy cheesecake, you'll need 24 ounces of full-fat cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 3 large eggs, and a touch of vanilla extract. For the crust, combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 6 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. This creates a sturdy base for your decadent dessert. Once your batter is smooth and poured over the crust, it's time to bake. Place your cheesecake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes. The center should be slightly jiggly. After baking, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside with the door ajar for 1 hour. This slow cooling prevents cracks and ensures a perfect texture. After chilling for at least 4 hours, your homemade cheesecake is ready for its grand reveal. You can decorate it with fresh berries, a vibrant fruit compote, or a rich chocolate ganache. A simple dusting of powdered sugar also works beautifully. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy every single slice of your perfectly crafted, creamy cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.